Welcome back. Let's turn to tonight's Get Real India story. A shocker coming in from Coimbatore. An Indian Air Force officer has alleged she was raped at the training institute in Coimbatore by a colleague, accusing Flight Lieutenant Amitesh Harmukh, who's been arrested. The case is being handled by IAF authorities, but what the officer has had to go through is what is very, very troubling. Get Real India.
The alleged rape of a woman Indian Air Force officer and the way the force dealt with her has cast a huge shadow on the service. The 28-year-old woman officer complained she was drugged and raped by a flight lieutenant of the Indian Air Force's Training Institute in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. The woman claimed Flight Lieutenant Amitesh Harmukh spiked her drink and sexually assaulted her. After the drug wore off, the officer said she woke up in her room to find the man lying next to her. But the woman says her ordeal didn't end there. She says she was subjected to an illegal two-finger test by Indian Air Force doctors. When the woman officer protested and demanded action, she claimed she was discouraged by senior Indian Air Force officers from filing a complaint and even indirectly threatened.
It's about collaboration, it's about empathy, it's about communication, it's about asking her the way in which we should not ask why. It is just not another victim, it's a woman who's sitting in front of him, shocked, in a state of shock, not knowing what to say. In that time, you shall not push her.
The flight lieutenant has been arrested and the case has been handed over to Indian Air Force authorities.
They are only entitled to have the custody of the accused because the alleged crime is supposed to have taken place inside their premises, which is under the control of the Indian Air Force. You know, the defense premises, which is under their control, place of alleged crime or occurrence is in their control, and they are only entitled to investigate, they are only entitled to have a court of inquiry, they are only entitled to have a court-martial summoned.
I was blackmailed to trust the system or file an FIR, says the victim, who even after trusting the system for 10 days did not get any justice and went ahead and filed an FIR with the police. In that FIR, shockingly, she has mentioned that she underwent the two-finger test banned by the Supreme Court, raising several questions about the way the Air Force personnel has handled this case. With Virisha Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.
Shocker there from Coimbatore.